Hello friends, today I'm going to share with you how you can color eggs at home without the need for a pre-assembled kit that you have purchased at the store. It's just 3 simple ingredients: water, vinegar, and food coloring. Now I use the Betty Crocker gel food coloring and it turned out great. You need hot water, a half a cup of hot water for each color. I used the 4 colors that were in my food coloring box, and those are blue, green, orange, and yellow. So you would need a half a cup for each one that you're going to make. I will also be placing down in the description box recipes and mixtures to add different colors. So if you'd like a bowl with orange, I'll have those color combinations below that you can mix up separately or in addition to. But for the sake of this video, I just did the 4 primary colors that were in the box. I also want to say that you're going to want to heat your water on the stove to just below boiling if you're using a gel food coloring. If you're using the regular, like liquid, the little bottles they have with the liquid food coloring, you do not need to heat it on the stove. You can go ahead and use your tap water. Just get it as hot as it can, and that will work just fine. So here I'm putting half a cup of water in each bowl. Once the water is in the bowls, you will want to add 1 teaspoon of food coloring to each bowl. Once all the colors are in the bowl, you want to give a nice stir to each to combine the food coloring with the water. Okay, at this point, you just want to add a teaspoon of vinegar to each bowl, and then give that a stir to combine everything together. The one big drawback to not having the store-bought kit is not having the wire little spoon tool that they include for removing your eggs from the food coloring. I have a dough hook. If you have a dough hook, that works really great. If not, go ahead and use a slotted spoon. Slotted spoons work just as great for removing the eggs from the food coloring. I hope you found this video fun and helpful. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.